Hello and welcome back, guys. Today you learn how to build a customer feedback dashboard with n8n and Data Studio. Will be again a for beginner workflow. So you learn how to create a live customer feedback dashboard powered by n8n and Google Data Studio. This workflow collects customer review from multiple sources, stores them in Google Sheets, and makes them available for visualization inside the Data Studio. With this setup, you can monitor ratings, sentiment trends, and review volume in real time, empowering your business to take action based on insights. This is perfect for marketing teams, support managers, and business owners who want to track customer satisfaction at scale. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook trigger that will collect the review. His purpose is to collect customer review, entry point for incoming reviews from your application, e-commerce store or form. Configuration. It's the on HTTP method post. The path is new review. Response immediately and on the response code 200. For example, you will get the customer name, the email, the rating, the comment and the platform. For example, Shopify. After that, you'll have a function node that will process the comments. His purpose of this node is to assign sentiment labels, for example, positive, neutral, or negative. The input of this configuration is the comment. You see here JSON comment, that is the input. And the output is the sentiment. Will return the sentiment. That will be positive, neutral, or negative. For example, a comment, shipping took too long, and this means it's the sentiment negative. Okay, after that, you'll have the Google Sheet node that will create a structured dataset for the Data Studio. On configuration will be at operation append. Spreadsheet will be the customer feedback data, and the columns will be the data, the customer name, the email, the rating, the comment, the platform, and the sentiment. After you have all of this, you will have the Google Data Studio, the visualization layer that will connect directly to the Google Sheet filled by n8n. So we will build the dashboard elements that will be the KPI cards, average rating, and the percent positive sentiment. Time series, that is review the volume over time. Pie chart, the distribution by sentiment, and the table, that is the raw review. That was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.